place is huge. It's bigger than our backyard.
This is your farm treasure map.
A real treasure map? The barn. Say it again. The barn. Good, that means the barn. The barn. Good, that's the barn.
Nice pronunciation, Tom. I'm a farm explorer now.
This one is the coop. The coop, where chickens live. Hello, chicken teacher. She looks very serious. This is the porch. That means the porch. Ao clown make you cook chung lao.
You know the farm now.
I know the important parts. We need to go into town.
It won't take too long. Listen carefully, kids.
We're listening.
Rule 1, lock the door.
Lock the door, got it.
Call Mr. McDonald if you need help.
Call for help. Door locked. First rule done. We are in charge. Farm guards on duty.
This farm looks easy. Quiet. You're already too loud.
They look like trouble. We stay inside and use our brains. No fighting, no going outside. Brain defense only. We need farm tricks. Safe farm tricks. Wind power. And a soft landing. It works. Slip surprise. Careful but clever. Water defense. Slippery surprise outside. It's working. Perfect for slipping. Last step. Scary dog sound. Perfect. Perfect. That sounds real.
Did you hear that? Stay calm.
I don't like this. Stay calm. Lights off. Showtime.
That farmer is enormous. Maybe we should leave. We wait until he moves away. He keeps moving.
They're scared. Good, but stay quiet.
Back door. I like doors without giants. What was that? Watch your step.
An alarm worked. Rule 2 still matters. Stay inside.
This feels wrong. Just move. My feet are dancing! Stop dancing!
Porch dance worked. Don't laugh too loud.
Enough with the house. The sheep barn is easier. No more porches. Straight to the sheep.
Sprinklers on. Farm rain attack.
Why is it raining sideways? It's the sprinklers! I hate clean water. Keep running! Not the mud! You look like soup!
Mr. McDonald, strangers are on the farm.
Are you kids?
Light time! Make the whole farm bright.
My eyes! We're not hidden anymore.
Speaker dog, go! Woof, woof, woof.
That dog sounds huge. Maybe it eats muddy people. There they are! Covered in mud, hard to miss. Run! I'm trying, but my shoes are stuck in mud. Stay right there. We're already stuck.
We didn't go outside. And help came.
The children! Please let them be safe.
It's Grandpa and Grandma. Thank goodness.
We stayed inside. Rough night, boys? The porch started it. You did a great job.
We followed the rules.
I'm proud because you stayed inside and called for help.
That was Rule 3.
A giant teddy guard?
It looked very real outside.
Just the wind, dear.
Smart, safe, and very silly.
Silly helps. Being brave was staying safe and not opening the door. Lock the door goes here. Good safe zone mark. Safe zones are treasure too. Better than gold when you're scared. The barn, the barn. Good to know, not good to hide in.
This is better than my old map.
Now it has safety treasure.
The porch looks normal again.
Normal, but famous.